Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and half cup onion. Keep it in low to medium heat and let the onions brown. After the onions start looking like this, simmer it. Now add 1 to 2 cups of the vegetables of your choice. Here I'm adding fresh green peas and finely chopped carrots. 1 slit green chili and some ginger garlic paste. A teaspoon of turmeric. A teaspoon of garam masala as per your taste and red chili powder as well. Salt to taste. Now add 1 cup dahi. Stir it well and let it cook for the next 10 minutes in low heat. Meanwhile, let's take 3 cups of rice, basmati rice in 6 cups of water. I've added a pinch of garam masala, salt and ghee to the water. Keep it in high heat and let it boil. The masala is perfectly cooked. Switch off the stove and let it rest. The rice is partially cooked. Simmer it at this stage. After 5 minutes, switch off the stove and cover it with a lid. Let it cook for the next 10 to 15 minutes and the rice is ready. Now it's time to mix the rice with the masala and your delicious vegetable biryani is ready. Subscribe to my channel for more such short videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.